Hey there, it's Sarah. Ever wondered what it really means when she asks you certain questions? Today, we're zeroing in on those specific questions that signal she's not just making conversation. She thinks you're a good-looking older man. We'll uncover the subtle yet powerful hints that can tell you she's definitely interested. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which questions to listen for and what they mean about how she sees you. Before we dive deeper, if you're looking to level up your dating game, click on the link below for a free 60-minute strategy chat with our expert coaches. Now let's dive in. 1. How do you manage to look so rested? First up, let's talk about the power of a fresh face. When a woman asks you how you manage to look so well rested, she's not just making small talk. She's taking notice of your vibrant, youthful appearance and wondering what your secret is. You see, as men age, it's easy to fall into the trap of looking tired, stressed, or worn out. But when a woman sees an older man who looks refreshed and rejuvenated, it's like a breath of fresh air. She's drawn to your energy, your vitality, and your zest for life. So, how do you respond to this kind of comment? Well, you could just thank her and move on. But why not use it as an opportunity to showcase your healthy lifestyle and positive outlook? You might say something like, "Thanks. I try to prioritize self-care and stress management. It's amazing what a good night's sleep and a positive attitude can do." By sharing a bit about your approach to wellness, you're not only reinforcing your attractive qualities, but you're also giving her a glimpse into your values and priorities. And trust me, a woman who's interested in you will be hanging on your every word. 2. What's your skincare routine? All right, gentlemen, let's move on to another common question that women use to signal their attraction. Inquiries about your skincare routine. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Skincare? Isn't that just for women? But hear me out. When a woman asks about your skincare regimen, she's not just curious about your products or techniques. She's taking notice of your healthy, glowing skin and wondering how you've managed to maintain such a youthful appearance. In today's world, more and more men are embracing the importance of self-care and grooming, and women are taking notice. A man who takes pride in his appearance and invests in his skin is seen as confident, self-assured, and mature. So how do you respond to this kind of question? Well, you could just brush it off and say that you don't really have a routine, but why not use it as a chance to showcase your dedication to self-care? You might say something like, "I believe that taking care of my skin is just as important as taking care of my body. I make sure to cleanse, moisturize, and protect my skin every day." By sharing a bit about your approach to skincare, you're not only reinforcing your attractive qualities, but you're also showing her that you value self-care and invest in yourself. And trust me, that's a quality that women find irresistible. 3. You're quite charming. Has anyone ever told you that? Now, let's talk about a compliment that's sure to make any man's heart skip a beat: being called charming. When a woman tells you that you're charming, she's not just admiring your wit or your sense of humor. She's taking in the whole package: your looks, your demeanor, and your overall presence. Charm is a hard quality to define, but we all know it when we see it. It's that special something that makes a man captivating, engaging, and irresistible. And when a woman sees that quality in an older man, it's like catnip. So, how do you respond to this kind of compliment? Well, you could just say thank you and move on, but why not use it as an opportunity to turn up the charm even further? You might say something like, "That's so kind of you to say. I suppose I've always enjoyed making people smile and feel at ease. It's one of life's simplest pleasures." By responding with grace, humility, and a touch of flirtation, you're not only reinforcing your charming qualities, but you're also creating a moment of connection and intimacy with the woman who complimented you. And remember, gentlemen, charm isn't just about what you say. It's about your body language, your tone of voice, and the way you make people feel in your presence. So the next time a woman calls you charming, embrace it and let your natural magnetism shine through. 4. What do you eat to look so healthy? All right, gentlemen, let's move on to another common question that women use to signal their attraction: inquiries about your diet and nutrition. When a woman asks what you eat to look so healthy, she's not just making small talk. She's taking notice of your vitality, your energy, and your overall well-being. You see, in today's world, more and more people are becoming health conscious and aware of the impact that diet has on our bodies and minds. And when a woman sees an older man who looks fit, energetic, and full of life, it's a major turn-on. So, how do you respond to this kind of question? Well, you could just say that you try to eat a balanced diet and leave it at that. But why not use it as an opportunity to showcase your knowledge and passion for healthy living? You might say something like, "I've found that focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods has made a huge difference in how I feel and look. I try to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. By sharing a bit about your approach to nutrition, you're not only reinforcing your attractive qualities, but you're also showing her that you value your health and take care of yourself. And trust me, that's a quality that women find incredibly appealing. Finding these tips useful, show some love with a like and comment. And if you're ready to dive even deeper, our free strategy call offers a fantastic opportunity to work one-on-one with an expert coach. This isn't just about meeting women, it's about understanding the dynamics of dating, enhancing your interpersonal skills, and building confidence that goes beyond just the dating scene. Reserve your spot today through the link in the pinned comment and start your journey towards successful and confident dating. 5. What brands do you wear? They seem to fit you perfectly. Now let's talk about a question that might seem superficial at first glance, but actually reveals a lot about a woman's interest in you. Inquiries about your clothing and style. When a woman asks what brands you wear or comments on how well your clothes fit, she's not just making idle chit-chat. She's taking notice of your sense of style and how you present yourself to the world. You see, gentlemen, the way you dress says a lot about who you are and what you value. And when a woman sees an older man who takes pride in his appearance and knows how to put together a sharp outfit, it's incredibly attractive. So, how do you respond to this kind of question? Well, you could just list off a few brand names and move on, but why not use it as an opportunity to showcase your confidence and self-assurance? You might say something like, I've always believed that investing in quality, well-fitting clothing is important. I tend to gravitate towards classic, timeless pieces that make me feel my best. By sharing a bit about your approach to style, you're not only reinforcing your attractive qualities, but you're also showing her that you value yourself and take pride in your appearance. And trust me, that's a quality that women find utterly irresistible. 6. Is it hard being the best-looking guy in the room? All right, let's finish things off with a question that's equal parts playful and flattering. Being teasingly acknowledged as the most attractive man in the room. When a woman asks if it's hard being the best-looking guy around, she's not just stroking your ego. She's letting you know, in no uncertain terms, that she finds you incredibly handsome and appealing. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't she just saying that to be nice? But trust me, gentlemen, when a woman goes out of her way to compliment your looks, especially in a bold and flirtatious way, she means it. So, how do you respond to this kind of comment? Well, you could just laugh it off and change the subject, but where's the fun in that? Instead, why not use it as an opportunity to showcase your wit, your charm, and your ability to banter? You might say something like, it's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. I suppose I'll just have to soldier on and keep being devastatingly handsome. By responding with humor, confidence, and just a touch of self-deprecation, you're not only showing her that you can take a compliment, but you're also engaging her in a playful, flirtatious exchange that's sure to leave a lasting impression. And there you have it, gentlemen. The subtle questions and comments that women use to signal their attraction to a handsome, mature man like yourself. So what's next for you? Discover what younger women find sexually attractive, or learn the phrases she uses when she's interested in you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.